this could be high time to buy bitcoins this year and ever. The exchange rate may well return to growth and be above 9,000 next week. He points out that the Bitcoin price has been consolidating for quite some time, and seller pressure is getting weaker and weaker. Glad to welcome you to the Coin Post. The overall picture on the cryptocurrency market is as follows. The bears are in anticipation of the Bitcoin fall below 9,000. Altcoins are going to look for a new bottom, but the judgment day has been delayed for a long time. Let's try to sort out what's happening by reviewing the forecasts of various traders. Who knows, maybe their ideas will help you better understand what's actually happening on the market. Thanks to everyone who watches our videos and motivates us to keep going. Please make yourself comfortable, and let's start. We're gonna move in reverse chronological order. I got confused myself. The point is, the forecast that was made earlier is the one that goes first, and we're gonna finish with the most recent and promising prediction. We're starting with Tyler S. Bitcoin is currently testing the strength of the bottom of the triangle, which has been forming for almost 2 months. The trend line runs along 9,100, but this doesn't mean that we're finally breaking through it. Bitcoin has also been moving in the downstream channel over the past few weeks. Now we're approximately in the middle, but the lower border is at 8,700, and moving to it is quite possible. The key resistance line that holds back the growth is at 9,400. Further, Bitcoin is gonna move within these boundaries, having lower support of $8,800. But there are still chances that we will first fall to 8,700 and then, after breaking through, we'll drop even lower. Then the course could reverse upwards at about 7,000 to 8,100. According to Tyler, this could be high time to buy bitcoins this year and ever, because there may never be such a low price in the history of the first cryptocurrency. So he actually offers to take the chance for a good purchase, although there may not be one. But let's take a look at the next forecast. Sunny Decree starts with a sad one, because he drew a beautiful rising channel from which Bitcoin price broke down. The good news is, it works well in the resistance range at 8,500 to 8,900. He also notes a volatility decrease, and as a result, a drop in trading volumes, because traders are interested in the maximum amplitude of price fluctuations. And when the price is more or less stable, traders in the market have nothing to do. At the moment, according to Sunny Decree, Bitcoin is in the consolidation phase. It's evidenced by another triangle and a descending trading volume. The picture on the chart is far from perfect, but most of all, it looks precisely like consolidation. As for his future forecast, it's for the bulls, and Bitcoin could again turn in the direction of growth. But Sunny Decree fears that the global situation may affect the price, meaning coronavirus and the stock market. If there are conditions for a new fall, then it will also affect Bitcoin. So this is one accurate forecast. Then we have Tone Vays and Vinci on the list. He's come back. Tom Vays became a Bitcoin bear again. The trader expects a further decline according to this chart. Bitcoin has to make another decline to 7,000 before it breaks the global downtrend and sets off to conquer new heights. It might need more than one attempt to do so. He also expects the stock market to tank next week and Bitcoin to tank as well. But gold will keep rising. And that's a different story we have a separate video about. You can see the link on the screen or go and find it in the description box. So, Tone Vays' daily Bitcoin chart also indicates a decline. If it falls below $9,000, the price may continue to move to the lower border of the channel and even go down 8,500. And you might say, that's when I'm gonna buy. But the trader warns that he's quite neutral to what's happening on the market. The situation is that the exchange rate may well return to growth and be above 9,000 next week. In his opinion, it will depend on the S&P 500 index. Bitcoin is gonna follow it. Thanks for making it to the main question. Subscribe to the channel please if you haven't done so. And we're moving on to the recent forecast from Vinci 15. A new video from Vinci on the Crypto channel was released just about the time we were promised the volcanic movement. The Bitcoin picture is quite bearish. but the bulls can punish them hard. This is the forecast Vinci gave for the Bitcoin price, unfortunately without any specific goals. He points out that the Bitcoin price has been consolidating for quite some time, and seller pressure is getting weaker and weaker. Therefore, if someone now takes a short position, they gotta be cautious. There is a chance of explosive growth of Bitcoin, and we're talking about one huge green candle with the prospects of initiating a new upward trend. Whether this forecast comes true, we'll find out quite soon, and you can also check Vinci's predictions regarding Ethereum. The trader expects steady growth in the Ethereum-Bitcoin trading pair, and he predicts an even stronger growth by as much as 40% with the Link token paired with Bitcoin. I will add that the Link was a dark horse last year, and is also showing excellent results in this, so its growth may not be over quite yet. But this is by no means a financial recommendation. I wouldn't have remembered it if it had not been for the forecast from Vinci. To sum up, I want to say that I personally support further consolidation of Bitcoin price with a possible exit at $9,000 and support at about $8,700. I do not expect a sharp rise or fall, although I can't rule it out. My understanding is that such a movement will be manipulative, and of course I'll keep monitoring the stock market. On July 2nd, Bitcoin showed a desync with it. But I'm ready to chalk this up to the exchange tricks, and so far I see no reason why the markets wouldn't continue to correlate with each other. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and get enlightened.